What's up, guys? Welcome back into the Millennial Prophet. Today, I've just got a quick tutorial on a question that a bunch of people have asked. What to do when the same buyer orders something, but it's showing up as separate orders. How do I ship that together and combine the shipping? So you can see here, this is the same buyer. It's going to the same address on these two beanies right here. And sometimes they will pop up with just one of these purchase shipping labels, and both of them will be under it. But these are popping up as two separate orders. So I'm going to show you how to combine those and ship them together because you don't want to ship those separately. That's a positive. When someone buys a bunch of something, you want to make sure you can ship it together. So there's two ways to do this. First way, just select both of those orders, go up here to shipping, drop down, purchase shipping label, and then all you have to do is right here, combine orders per buyer. Boom, you're in there. You put in your weight and dimensions, buy your label, you're good to go. Second option, you can actually come in here and print one of these labels. So we're just going to print this one just for fun, just to show you this way. It's going to be 8 ounces. It's going to be ground advantage. So we're going to print that 431. Then all you're going to need to do is copy this tracking number, go back to your orders, hit add tracking number on this one, paste that sucker in. Easy as that. I looked up to see if there were any other tutorial videos on this, and it seemed like they were all stretched out like 5 to 10 minutes, and I'm like, that's just unnecessary. So I thought I would just make a nice, quick, and easy one for you guys. So hopefully this was able to help you combine your orders. There's money to be made everywhere, guys. Let's go get it. Thank you for watching The Millennial Prophet.